Oke nih. Dingin. Sih. Oh, Ronaldinho. Saya pengen sekali kartu-kartu itu, cuma inian saya cuma 300 atau 200 gitu. Oh, 400 nih ternyata sudah dapat lagi 50. Baik. Asik baik tuh. Ngapain kita sekarang? Main divisi football league. Halo ya. Hah? Iya. Ya. Hah? Heeh. Bentar bro, sebentar. Aku bisa membuatmu. Siapa itu cok? Cepat sekali. Sabar, sabar. Seperti biasa, share dulu. Bentar. Buset deh. Gua Assalamualaikum PPP pertama nih, anjay mabar. Mabar bang. Emang bisa mabar? Emang bisa crossplay sekarang? Anda main di mana? Coba sini. Nih. Passwordnya tidak perlu. Tuh. Coba. Tuh. Tuh, coba. Bisa nggak? Kalau Anda main di mobile bisa nggak ya? Saya tidak tahu. Mas. proyek jaringan ya sudah, saya main sendiri saja ya. Tidak tahu saya. Malam amat ya, memang kalau misalkan hari Jumat kan emang jam segini. Coba kita kasih overdrive dikit. Apa sih lagunya, gimana? Iris. Apa sih, ya Allah. Oh iya, benar. Hampir lupa. Main. Oh, sudah siap ternyata. Ayo main, Mas. Dia jauh, dia. Ayo main. Aku rindu. Aku. Buset deh. Pelanggaran tuh. Untung aja. Bang, kenapa kalau lanjutin manager mode-nya, Bang? Manager itu karir mode Chasing the Glory. Saya sudah tidak, entah kenapa namanya, kalau misalkan FIFA 22 kemarin tuh viewsnya dikit. Kayaknya lebih menghasilkan eFootball daripada FIFA 22. Jadi saya, karena yang nonton tuh cuma berapa doang, Cok, kalau FIFA 22. Dan jarang banget orang random datang gitu. Awas ya. Anyep baru main. Sulit mengundang orang datang. Yo. Kasih Rashford aja itu. Siu belum. Belum. Saya tidak punya Ronaldo lagi. Apa punya ya? Tahu udah lupa dah. Corner. Ya. 4 yang nonton. Aduh, kekencangan, Cok. Ya. Aduh. Kerasukan apa ini musuhnya, Untung aja. Ya, bagus banget. Aduh, salah. Oh, nggak apa deh. Dapat ternyata. Bagus tuh tadi. Kombinasi 3 pemainnya. Ambil. Kosong. Astagfirullahaladzim. Udah kosong banget itu padahal Rashford. Astaga. Udah nggak ada orang itu di situ. Astagfirullahaladzim. Dia langsung ultra defensif gitu loh. Frankie. Ya, dapat. Ayo, dapat. Astaga, nggak dapat, bro. Padahal udah bagus itu passingnya. Segala jatuh dia. Sheva Asegaf. Kayak pernah denger namanya ya. Asegaf. Sheva Asegaf. Wih, Neymar. Tidak akan lepas lagi Anda. Untung masih divisi 6, ngejar ke atasnya gampang. Kalau misalkan kalah. Dapat. Astagfirullahaladzim, tiang. Aduh. Buset deh. Ini baru match pertama loh, udah ada tiang-tiang aja loh. Sheva Asegaf 46. Dapat. Aduh, tidak dapat, gila. Mason Mount. Aduh, pelanggaran tuh. Oh, enggak, ring. Tunggu aja. Ya. Dapat shooting. Astaga. Aduh. Parah, cok.
Rakitic. Now Neymar. Now it's Rashford. De Jong.
Ya, aduh, mau capping lagi, tidak sempat. Masih ada 3 yang nonton. Siapa aja itu?
Haaland.
Hmm. Aduh, 1 menit doang nih, nggak keburu dong. Alah, udah habis. Babak pertama 2-0. Astagfirullah.
That's the first half compared with
Berapa kali shot kita?
well, it's looking pretty
4 kali
straightforward.
shot. Dia 5. Kok 5 shot 5 on target banyak banget dia ya? Kayaknya dia jarang nyerang deh.
Repeat their first half success.
Jarang sekali nyerang kayaknya. Kenapa?
Here we
Yang
go
pegang
again then.
jarang megang bola dia juga.
Well, this half might require them to produce a plan A, B, and C. Leveling the score is easier said than done, but that will be the target. Get back on terms and then use that momentum
Canatip,
to go
tidak
on.
bisa Canatip nyundul.
And it's Roberto Carlos. And that interception was most necessary. He's in here. Haaland. A real chance to break. Looking for the run.
Astaga, lewat loh.
Good ball. And he's away.
Anjir, kesikat, Cok. Baru match pertama padahal. Astaga.
And the lead is free. It is surely done. As simple as you like. The outcome utterly inevitable. Yeah, and all engineered, Peter, by some smart running and movement. That's already something to
Dia efektivitasnya tinggi sih.
How about the pass? Just
Tuh enak banget, Cok.
Free without reply.
Loh, masih dapat
This
aja.
is becoming a stroll.
Lah.
Back on the ball again. Neymar. Phillips gets it back.
Duh. Bagus.
Excellent challenge there, uncompromising. And here's the chance to counter. Well, no
Mana
doubt
ini
someone is
rekannya?
making special
Tolong.
treatment here. Yeah, and they've got to be careful, Peter, that they don't allow their attempt to snuff out the threat now to turn in. Chance for the header.
Benar-benar.
Forced the very best out of the keeper.
Ini kenapa sulit sekali.
I don't think he knew either. So, third quarter of the game.
Kalau misalkan lawannya dibilang jago, biasa-biasa aja lawannya sih.
He's had a shot.
Entah kenapa lagi luck aja dia nih. Lucknya lagi tinggi aja nih.
De Jong. Well, saw that coming. Casemiro
Hmm.
over to the left, looking to break out here. He's got away.
Ya.
Sokrasin, and there's his chance to lead the counter. Now it's Rashford. Neymar. Now that's a
Waduh.
fine challenge. Neymar unable to make it happen for all his good intentions. And here's Neymar. Some really good ball movement. He's in, surely. Decent hit.
Astaga.
Out. Rudiger gets rid without sophistication.
Gila aja, bre. Astaga. Kita boleh masukin Inzaghi di sini.
Haaland.
Canatip.
Oh, now here's an interesting matchup.
Enak banget nih, Cok. Duel passing kayak gitu dapat mulu.
Now looking to orchestrate a counter. Oh, he's felt that, hasn't he?
Kayak bola-bola yang 50-50 itu dapat mulu dia.
Mount. Neymar will not want to lose out here
Nge-lag lagi nih.
against this opponent. Great challenge, time to perfection.
Kok sono,
But
astaga.
the referee is not interested. Oh, well played.
Langsung ke depan. Aduh, passingnya.
His positioning was spot on. And it's Casemiro.
Cok. Nah,
Yeah, that does
Loh.
look a foul. Referee's
Kenapa
given
tuh?
a free kick. And he has shown him a yellow card. Sometimes a loose
Kenapa
foul
tuh?
can trigger a completely different spell of play and makes even less sense.
ya, lagi nyerang, lagi counter attack. Dia tiup lah itu fluid. Astaga. ganti Neymar. Neymar ganti si Inzaghi. Ini orang pada keluar masuk dah.
Substitution for Roma. Both sides then taking this chance to turn to their benches. Neymar coming on the field. Roberto Carlos going full steam ahead down the left flank. Dybala. Number 7. Dybala. Chance to break. Casemiro. Mikel Oyarzabal. Substitution. Dybala.
Astaga.
There's the hit. And that is a truly outstanding save.
Lagi nggak jelas nih Pak. Lawannya lagi tahu bolanya ada magnetnya kali. Masalahnya bola yang harusnya 50-50, yang harusnya saya bisa dapat, dia dapat mulu, Cok. Heran gua. Kayak crossing nih. Tuh. Bola-bola kayak gitu tuh pasti dia dapat mulu. Tahu deh kenapa deh. Terus dari tadi depan gawang. Tidak masuk. Astagfirullah. Lari. Ya. Tuh nge-lag lagi, Cok. Tidak mungkin bisa menang, jadi ya minimal 1 gol lah ya. Sit kasih advantage gitu, sit. Depan kemana ini gua? Bangun nih. Rashfordnya nggak bangun. Udah. Bukan masalah lah ya harusnya. Karena kita juga bermain cukup bagus.
That's it for tonight's match, so it just remains for me to thank Jim Beglin alongside me.
Astaga. Astagfirullahaladzim. Bukan Italia. Assalamualaikum, waalaikumsalam. Duh, ayolah, main lah. Ini kok nggak nemu. Nah, volume kecilin deh. Tonnya naikin. Kenapa keset banget nih ya? Ya, main. Aduh. So much pride. Wih, sit. Crossing. Tur. Aduh, nge-lag, Cok. Pantesan. Pantes nge-lag. Pelanggaran sih. Aku udah dulu ya, aman. Santai. Wah, gila. Pas temboknya ini lagi, pas temboknya tinggi. Hampir pelanggaran. So, untung dia ngegoceknya pinter. Play on. Woi. Lah, ke sana. Lo, bukannya ke Canatif ah. Suka konyol gitu, Cok. Yes, salah. Gol lah. Oh, untung enggak. Untung aja. Brilliantly. Absolutely sparkling the kick. Dapat ya. santai aja, santai. Pelan-pelan. Lo dia, astaga, sudahlah. Jangan nge-lag tolong.
And he's in on goal.
Tengah, aduh, astagfirullah. Astagfirullahaladzim. Dapat Mings. Body.
Real chance to break. And he's in a
Gila, nggak kuat. Pace-nya nggak kuat. Ketinggalan.
Oh, it's come loose. Referee has just said play on. Well, the defence proved infallible there.
Gila, keren.
Be the last they'll see of him.
Lo kok
Oh, good read.
sip.
Rakitic.
Sip.
And there's his chance to lead the
Tap.
counter.
Tap.
Promising
Tap.
build up this. Plenty of
Tap.
really nice passing.
Pelanggaran.
Played the ball, that's a foul.
Ternyata kartu kuning.
The yellow card.
Pantas ada Pruit lagi, Fluid. Oh, tidak bisa ini, terlalu jauh. Passing saja.
And it's Rakitic.
Kasih Neymar.
It's Neymar.
Aduh,
Neymar
tolong.
is a frustrated figure right now. He just cannot get away.
He needs a minder, and one of his teammates should be picking up on that, and quickly.
Lo kok pelanggaran
That's a
sih?
foul. Free kick's been given.
Cepat.
He's felt that, hasn't he? Some terrific running on the ball there.
Duh, kan
Those
nge-lag kan.
efforts are not going
Tarik,
unappreciated.
sabar. Temukan dulu iramanya.
Phillips.
Sabar, jangan buru-buru.
Chance to break. Lovely ball into space.
Oh, that's such a good run. More of that, please.
Gila.
Shoots.
Untung aja ada si Roberto Carlos.
That, Peter,
Kalau
is
kagak mah gol itu,
the
Cok.
game. Perfect positioning. Well played.
Well, saw that coming.
Astaga.
And that interception was most necessary.
Calvin Phillips kenapa mundur lagi dah?
It's been intercepted. Trying to find some space for the He's had a shot.
Ih,
And collective relief.
ya ampun, banyak kesalahan kayak gitu tuh. Males dah.
Made himself a big nuisance in applying the pressure to force the error.
James. Oh, good read.
Tuh.
Space here. He'd have done well to reach that.
Ayo lempar. Elah kenapa ke situ sih?
Final ball not quite right. His teammates are irritated at that. Good running, strong and purposeful. Now it's Rakitic. Neymar will not want to lose out here, not against this opponent.
Dapat. Ya, on goal sih.
Looks to be very much like an own goal.
Oh, it's terribly unfortunate for them, and maybe we can attribute that to a loss of focus.
So one moment's crazy confusion. That's an untidy
Itu pelanggaran.
free kick given.
Nah lo, kartu merah lo. Enggak lah ya harusnya. Enggak sengaja.
Phillips. And here's Rashford.
This is what good chemistry
It's
is all about.
Ini dari tadi ada yang keluar masuk.
Hefty challenge, but fair enough. Great chance.
Oke.
To this.
Nice try. Pacey banget
So
tuh
what can we
Barella.
make of this? Some good work on the right flank here. And it's Neymar.
It's hampir aja.
Neymar.
Ya, kasih Rashford.
Now it's Rashford.
Balik.
Now it's De Jong.
Lag. Tah.
Good spot.
Udah sit.
Seen the run.
Sit, kelar sit. Wasit.
Is clear. None short
Wasit,
pass.
wasit, wasit.
This might
Wasit.
spell danger.
Sit kelar sit. Astagfirullahaladzim.
It's bounced out. It's loose and there's a race and
Wah, wasit gua waras, Cok. Menit 48 aja.
game of thrills, all square in the blinking of an eye.
Yeah, and analysis.
Anjing.
Half-time whistle. So a very watchable game so far. Action at both ends and the teams level. That's been a decent 45 minutes. Competitive certainly and a goal-ish.
Astagfirullahaladzim, ya Allah, tolong. Ganti pemain dia. Inzaghi masuk tuh. Baru.
Australia get the ball rolling in the second half.
Oh, shush.
Oh, well played.
No way. Harusnya gue lebih sabar lagi.
Inzaghi finds himself offside.
Aduh, lapar lagi.
Roberto Carlos fiddles it through. Oh, this through ball looks good. Filippo Inzaghi.
Kok aku malas mainnya.
That's left him on the seat of his pants.
Lah,
Oh, it's inches away from being a really good ball.
inches away.
Looking to break out here.
Ya, ayo Rashford, lari.
Now it's Rashford.
Loh, astaga.
Good run, ultimately thwarted by an astute piece of defending.
Alah, Makjang.
It's good football all round there. Oh, and he's broken the line here.
Ya.
Well, he is the type of character who rises to this sort of challenge.
Alah.
Will be back for more. Now it's De Jong. He's got away.
Bawa crossing.
Davids.
Ngelek, Cok. Out. Astaga, enggak out.
Move forward and pick
Ngelek.
Room for a shot. Can he finish?
Tolong.
And the follow-up.
Anjir, ngelek, Cok.
It's in. And the game is well and truly turned on its head.
Kok malas ya?
Reacted well to the initial effort, but couldn't get it right out of the danger area.
Well, listen, last line of defence, if you don't get it right, then you're paying a visit to your net.
Well, this is what we've been waiting for.
And it is our great credit for turning
Nggak bener kok, aku malas ya.
They now need the defensive resilience to equal that attacking flair.
Malas sekali aku loh.
With the challenge, and he has given away a free kick.
Ini baru divisi 6 padahal.
Filippo tries a shot. And back it goes. Well, it's a nice idea, but the execution was lacking. And that has left him in a heap. It's all a little bit desperate, but it's got the job done.
Oh, super tackle. They were outnumbered and under the cosh. That had to be spot on, and it was.
Gets away from his opponents. There's a beautiful simplicity about this contest. Willing running on one side, dogged defence on the other. Interesting ball. He's cut it out.
Well, it's good stuff. This is better.
They're coming again and again.
You know, the interest value in this game
What the
might just take off from here.
Nicely intercepted.
Astagfirullahaladzim.
Diaz. Oh, it's come loose. Marseille can breathe again. Just.
Yeah, they showed a vulnerability until the move was stifled. That'll have stirred a little concern.
That's been intercepted. And it's Neymar. Oh, super ball. Now that can he put it away?
Astaga.
Who's going to be first to this?
Di depan gawang kagak masuk juga.
Now the counter. Pass is coming off in quick succession here. Shapes to shoot. They've scored. does it all
layak
with
menang
an
sih
air
dia
of
sih.
efficiency and simplicity.
Peter, I can tell you that was nothing short of a cold-blooded execution.
Substitution for Marseille. Number 10
We have got changes here from both sides, in fact.
coming on the field.
Australia go 2 up and into a position of real strength.
Substitution.
He's gone down, but the referee just tells him to get back up again. Well seen, saw that coming. Pass has gone astray. Now it's Inzaghi. Rakitic. Filippo Inzaghi. It's a good ball and he could be in. Inzaghi showed plenty of zest in getting to the ball, but couldn't quite sort it out. Traoré. Bout of pop. Oh, the ball's run loose here. Philippe. And the shot! Into the last 5 minutes. And that interception was most necessary. Morientes. And the shot! A collective sigh of relief from the defence.
That's what all good teams do these days. Pressing from the front is highly effective.
Phillips. Oh, good read. Filippo Inzaghi. Oh no, no circumventing this opponent.
Minutes has been
Now
indicated.
looking to orchestrate a counter. Time added on will be 2 minutes. Here come the Australians on a counter. That's been intercepted. And it's De Bruyne. Looking tidy in possession here. And that will be the final act. Marseille have thrown it away. It was in their grasp and they let it go. So Jim, how do you reflect?
Coba yuk ngulik ini yuk. Gimana sih? Ah. Kangen ini udah gue.
So the wait is over. We can finally get going. Welcome to everybody who's joined us for this miserable game. Hugely anticipated, hugely hyped. Undoubtedly the place to be at this moment in time. Is one of the
Duh.
great amphitheatres of the game. You are welcome to it, and indeed to one of the grandest fixtures. As you can see, we've already started here. So, Jim, who would you identify as the key man in this fixture?
Yeah, Virgil van Dijk. He's just about unbeatable in every department, Peter. He's strong, he's quick, he's totally dominant in the air. And what's more, he seems to really love a tussle. His passing's good too, and he never seems to lose it in important areas. I'd expect this team to notch up a lot of clean sheets with him on board.
I wonder whether that has anything to do with you being a defender once upon a time, Jim. So, what can they make of this? Oh, that's a key interception. He's got away. He's had a fair tumble under that challenge. Lewandowski, and he skips past his man. No foul, says the referee. Marseille can breathe again. Just.
Oh, super tackle.
Waduh.
Under the cosh, that had to be spot
Iya,
on.
Ki.
It was.
Roberto Carlos is charging up on the overlap. Knocks it away. Lewandowski. Oh, the ball needed to be better there. It's a wasted chance. And it's Dybala. Pass is coming off in quick succession here. Oh, what a ball! Roberto Carlos. And there's his chance to lead the counter. Now it's Rashford. Now it's Neymar. Rashford. Can he put it away? Goal! Marseille!
Jangan tak kabur, jangan tak kabur.
First strike. That was easy. Almost
Loh, kok
too easy.
nge-pause?
Yeah, and I think we may have had too many defenders ball watching then because they just lost sight of the real danger.
Elah, orang keluar masuk, keluar masuk.
Marseille take the lead, 1-0.
Yeah, this is also a chance to see what happens to their level of concentration from here.
Scholes. Rakitic. Now the counter. And here's Rakitic. He's lost the ball there, great tackle. Bounce of passing here, really easy on the eye. Dybala.
Ya, astagfirullahaladzim.
Osimhen, foot in. And here's Rashford. He's in a good position here. Oh, what a ball he's in here. Ajax needed that. They really needed it.
Oh, that's brilliantly defended though. It looked destined for a goal.
And he was alert to it. Scores. Well seen. Saw that coming. And the counter is on.
Dia segala offside trap,
Shapes to shoot.
offside trap, tripe.
Dybala.
Ngomong.
Oh, great play. Referee has just said play on. That's a good block, but at the expense of a
Corner.
corner. He's had a hit. start a counter here. Lovely ball into space. And the finish! Defenders on the back foot.
Dybala. I wouldn't fancy playing up front in these circumstances, to be honest. There's absolutely no supply.
He's found a way through. He's made space for the shot. Oh, now this is
Penalty.
interesting. And the referee has pointed to the spot. And that is a huge moment in the context of the game.
Aduh.
So this to pull level.
Pasti kanan atau nggak kiri nih? Pasti. Biasanya kalau lama gitu, Cok. Nah, kan.
Not a twitch, not a blink.
I just think the keeper committed himself too early.
That has certainly made things interesting.
Well, this is to be expected, Peter. When you've got two strong teams of fairly equal standing, the outcome should all come down to finishing.
Astaga.
Roberto Carlos is very much the model of the modern-day fullback. Rakitic, Roberto Carlos chooses to go back.
Hey,
Goes
sit.
down, but nothing given, and they can counter here. Rudiger. Now it's Lewandowski. He is through here. Icardi. He's got space in the area. Sokrasin. That looks a foul.
Astaga.
Referee's given it.
Tolong.
There's the whistle for half-time. Well, it has been an even contest, as the scoreline suggests.
Set
And it has
sampai
been
tiduran ini.
decent
Gue
to
streaming
watch.
ya Allah. 5 shot 4 on target.
Nothing to separate them. The score 1-1. Marseille get the second half going.
Marseille can feel really happy with themselves. The scoreline doesn't back it up, but they played with urgency and purpose and can't afford to lose patience in this second half. They've got to persevere.
Could try cutting inside here. He gets up to
Ih,
head.
dapet tuh.
Oh, Marseille! And they're back in front. Oh, lovely header, but really it was all about the delivery.
Well, look, it's often the timing of the jump that dictates what you can do with any header, and if you get it slightly wrong, then you'll struggle, but that was beautifully met, it really was.
His second, that's a foul. Free kick's been given. De Jong. Oh, it's a promising build-up. This plenty of really nice passing.
Rashford really was well marshalled there because he was denied the opportunity to turn.
Oh, good ball. Can he finish? He has done it. And the lead lost no time at all.
Yeah, they say that fortune favours the brave, and we've just seen an example. This team has real personality and character.
Just so calm under pressure, and he managed to fashion a fine finish.
Mauro Icardi demonstrated great strength there. I mean, he really had to hold his man off and just create enough room for him to be able to get the shot away. And I think it's just top play.
Quite a thriller this one's become.
Oh, I think the coach will really be annoyed with that. The players were still thinking about their goal and just got caught napping.
Lewandowski. Ajax appear to be happy to let their front players stay up front all the time.
Well, it's signalling to the opposition that they're setting themselves up for the counter-attack. It's plain and simple.
Drilled in low. Dybala.
The attendance for this match
Right,
was
Icardi.
32,306.
And they could break here. Dybala. Just eases him off the ball. Dybala really struggling to influence the game.
He needs a minder, and one of his teammates should be picking up on that, and quickly.
De Jong.
Astaga.
Could move up a gear here. It's a pretty loose pass. And here's the chance to counter. And it's Neymar. Neymar face to face with his great rival. Great work on the overlap. Oh, that is lovely footwork. Oh, great defending. That needed doing. Well, it didn't look good for a while, but that was brave defending, and they got away with it.
Well, I thought they got off lightly there. The odds were stacked against them.
That's been intercepted. Icardi. Lewandowski. He's had a shot! That's a throw.
Ini harus diatur tuh begitu tuh.
Substitution for Ajax. Number 21.
Oh, real danger here.
Paulo Dybala.
It's out of play for a goal kick.
Mauro Icardi. Number 8. Number 12.
It's gone for a throw-in.
Number 23.
Kenapa jadi ngantuk gue ya?
On the field. Number 18. Number 20. Mohamed Kudus.
De Jong.
Number 13.
Oh,
Number
it's Inzaghi.
19.
Poor pass that. Sloppy.
Number 10.
Oh, it's picked out the runner.
Luka Modric.
Opts to play it back.
Substitution in progress.
Rakitic!
Ya, astaga, golnya jelek banget, cok.
To the lead once more.
Kok reading, aduh anjing, sekalinya dateng orang kayak gini bangsat mau ngerosting. Dari tadi gak ada orang, tiba-tiba datengnya mau orang roasting. Astagfirullahaladzim, astagfirullahaladzim, ya Allah.
Themselves into the lead.
Look, I just think they've kept at it and got their reward. Now they need to hang on to it. Peter, they have to fight the onset of desperation and keep enough cool heads to still deliver.
Oh, it's Inzaghi. Now then, the ball's come loose.
They may end up with some regret with this tactic, but you have to admire their commitment to goals.
Now, who's going to be first to this? Lewandowski.
Ajax really are showing all the necessary urgency, but it's potency they need.
The ball is loose and the chase is on. Almost there, and the players can feel it. It's a pretty loose pass. Rudiger.
Well, they should
Menang jelek nih kita ini,
they need to
sumpah.
get the ball in the
Ugly win, cok. Kalau misalkan menang,
Modric.
kalau misalkan menang,
Lewandowski.
kalau misalkan menang.
Taken with style. 9 minutes, and we're all square again.
Anjir.
He won't get many simpler than that.
Coba lihat ke bawah, ada apakah ada Ipul? Bacot. Kalau misalkan mau ngerosting, nonton matchnya, Mat.
Almost no time remaining.
Dapat dapat dapat. Anjir.
This official showing that there will be 3 minutes of added time. Nice interception.
Ah, anjing gua.
Now looking to orchestrate a counter.
Ini sampai kebobolan sih gue end stream anjing.
Oh, he's found him in space.
End stream gue sumpah. Oh, untung aja enggak.
Keeper's ball. So that's it. It is all over. Terrific match. Universal commitment to attack. All square and rightly. No loser. And after all of that, Jim,
Diga dia.
It's always likely to be on the card, so
7 shot depan target.
we complain too much about it.
Ya. Tuh padahal info aja Portugal sama Brasil bakal masuk sih. Selalu dah. Udah capek. Udah dijelasin ya. Masih ya anjir.
so the wait is over. We can finally get going. Welcome to everybody who has joined us for this unmissable game.
Ya main lagi.
Anticipated, hugely hyped. Undoubtedly.
Itu sebenarnya tadi ada 3 loh yang nonton loh.
This moment in time.
Cuma satunya tiba-tiba.
This one of the great amphitheaters of the game. You are welcome to it, and indeed to one of the.
Belanda katanya ngundurin diri. Udah capek gue sumpah dap.
See, we've already started here.
Ini aja gue streaming udah tiduran ini. Oh, son.
And that's definitely not his best.
Ini sampai kalah sih udahan gue. Kalau kalah main jelek udahan gue.
And he's there to clear it. Chance!
Anjing.
And the keeper passes the test.
Tanda-tanda kalah nih ini kalau kayak gini nih.
Must have felt he had the measure of the keeper then, but how wrong he was.
Katanya Son Bapak kok dibeli itu pemain musuh PA. Yang merah pemain musuh. Gue yang putih. Astagfirullahaladzim.
That was very
Kan Sonnya yang di merah.
And now they can spring out of defence. It's Rashford.
Lihat.
Neymar.
Astagfirullahaladzim dap. Wih, Canatip. Ya lah malas banget gue.
Cleared away. Punched away. Chooses to go back. James.
Mana pemainnya, Cok? Temennya. Apa nggak ada teman?
Rakitic. João Cancelo does really well to win the ball there. Great shot.
Anjing.
The ball's run loose here.
Astagfirullahaladzim. Jadi toxic banget itu.
There's the clearance. Might be dangerous.
Super FIFA ya.
Needed better contact. Oh,
Enggak.
That was a chance.
Males gua.
That's a chance.
Habis ini gua tidur.
Neymar picks it up from the goal kick. it back as soon as they gave it away.
Ya bagus. Anjir.
Sturdy. Goes down, but nothing given.
Aduh ya ampun. Lapar ibu, lapar aku ya ampun. Jam-jam segini nggak mau lapar ya. Emang kagak jelas, kagak jelas. Gue makan jam 7 padahal.
Any better outcome there? So what can they make of this?
Rashford, well, he was given the time and room initially to hold on to the ball, but eventually he was
Anjir,
squeezed
bisa
out
kayak
the
gitu.
corner and the task became too much. I think he's got to be a little quicker in his distribution there and get others into the match. Chance to break. Phillips.
Pemain itu nggak ada yang ngedeket asu.
Now the counter. Well played. That has snuffed out the danger. Now looking to orchestrate a counter. De Jong.
Bangun dong,
And it's Rakitic. So a third of the match or thereabouts.
Tuh nggak ada yang ngedeket, cok. Jaraknya tuh jauh semua.
And here's Rashford.
Good spot. He's seen the run.
João Cancelo defending his corner stubbornly. Stood up very well to his man. Son Heung-min. Could move up again.
Aduh parah, jam segini emang lagi lapar-laparnya.
That's well spotted.
Butuh ini, gua butuh nasional.
Foden. Pressing's intense and it's paid off. He's pulled him up for that challenge.
Nasional buat ganjel perut.
This is a great chance to take a lead. Great chance here from position A1.
Anjir, didatarin gitu loh sama dia. Bahaya banget nih orang emang.
Neymar.
Udah loncat aja itu pemain gua.
Challenge just a bit on the firm side. Less said about that pass the better. Neymar.
Ngerti main berarti ini orang.
And the counter is on. Poor pass.
Allahu Akbar.
Not yet. Well, they've got it back in a hurry.
Ya,
Well, they could break here.
ya,
Now it's Neymar.
ya, ya. Balik lagi. Passingnya jauh. Astagfirullahaladzim.
Nicely intercepted. Some really good ball movement. And they've been caught out here.
Allahu Akbar. Allahumma sholli ala Muhammad.
Saw that coming. And it's Rakitic. And he's picked out the run. Big chance.
Udah gak berproduksi.
The keeper really
Lebar bola lah yo, bola. Emang ada bola.
effort.
Baru jam 10.
Save and number 2 then. And the goalkeeper's got a good palm to that. Phillips. Now it's De Jong. There's a can he put it away?
Can he put it away? Nambah satu lagi. Ntar nih keluar lagi nih satunya. Dari tadi siapa? Mondar mandir baik.
That's a foul. Free kick's been given.
Sini apa sini? Nggak usah mondar mandir gitu.
Phillips. De Jong. Out to the right. Here's the ball in.
Hmm.
We hit half-time, so the other team has broken through, but certainly not for the want of trying. It's been an interesting game up to now.
4 shot 3 on target.
So, that was the first half.
Untuk buat gua astaga. Jangan ampe gue ketiduran di streaming astaga.
Broken through, obviously.
Sumpah itu malu banget nih kalau misalkan ketiduran di stream.
Keep producing good spells. It's been a half
Itu bener-bener paling gak jelas dah kalau misalkan beran ketiduran. Anjir, anjir.
To the dressing room, not yet having broken through. Tight, cagey game. Are the team any further forward than they were when they started out?
Substitution in progress.
And the action is back underway.
Marseille can feel really happy with themselves. The scoreline doesn't back it up.
Ketiduran di Discord paling ditinggalin.
To lose patience.
Gila ketiduran di sini.
They've got to persevere. Oh, super ball.
He's got a shot! And he's heaved it away. And there's his chance to lead the counter.
Gua ke-tackle juga lu.
Referee's given it.
Wah, koplak.
Gets his pass away. Spread neatly. He's got away. In comes the chance for the header. It's in!
Dependability is one thing, and he brings that to his game. But that sort of dynamism is another attribute he's blessed with, and it's revealed on a regular basis too. Superb. That looks like a preconceived plan. Win the ball and then unleash.
And very quickly, the substitute made his mark.
That's just as the manager would have seen it, an impact sub.
So we have our breakthrough.
Listen, when it comes to goals, Peter, in this team, he's always the number one contender, and he's done it again.
And it's Cancelo. Good read, needed to be. So, Jim, is that the manager telling the forwards that they must stay forward for now?
Well, I think he just is concentrating on the shape here, and he wants them to press as high as they can and get in the right position to do that collectively.
Now it's De Jong.
That's what has to be done now, no question about it.
They're coming again and again.
You know, the interest value in this game might just take off from here.
De Jong. James. Neymar. Now it's Rashford. It's a good spell of possession, this. Luke De Jong. And now the breakaway. Defenders on the back foot. DK. Neymar. Rashford. Can he finish? It's coming out. It's there. Seemed no way back, but they are level. He was really quick to react to the initial save, and he has his reward.
Well, that's not the best attempt by the keeper, and he's just paid the ultimate price, hasn't he?
Substitution for Marseille. Number
Both
10.
sides then taking this chance to turn to their benches.
Coming on the
And that has
field
added a
is
whole new
Cam
complexion to the game.
Yeah, it's a very good contest with two very good sides, and with such great individual talent on show, it could go either way.
He's through here. Now it's Rashford. Oh, it's come loose. It's all a little bit desperate, but it's got the job done.
Well, I thought they got off lightly there. The odds were stacked against them.
Sampai kalah stream gue sumpah.
Nedved. He's left his man.
I'm back. Enggak tidur kamu buat.
And here's the
Masya Allah.
Marseille showing a good level of intensity at this stage. They're calling on all the resources.
Tidak.
Son Heung-min.
Mo.
Don't you just love the level of intensity here? Neither is prepared to back down, and to be honest, that's how it should be.
And it's been taken straight back.
Well, they deserve an awful lot of credit for their commitment to the cause, but it's a goal credit that would be most welcome now.
Asik. Mantap. Begadang. Ngapain begadang-begadang? Jangan begadang-begadang lah.
Still anyone's game this. One moment could decide it. It's a
Hey, sit.
wanted a free kick. Passing nice and neat.
Well, both sides might have to settle for a draw here, although there's still a chance for one last fling.
He's in massive lead. Oh, terrific save from the keeper.
Haaland simply didn't do anything wrong. He was thwarted by brilliance.
The message is simple. Defend this with your lives.
You wonder if that's it now, but there may be one more opportunity, Peter, for a late steal here.
De Jong. Foden.
There will be one added
Himself into trouble.
Loh kok pelanggaran sih? Ya ampun.
Bruno Fernandes. Oh, it's opened up for him. Away from immediate danger. Added time is up, and there goes the whistle. Well, no winner here, but an intriguing game.
7 shot, 6 on target, cuma 1 yang masuk. Aduh. Piye ki, ya Allah, baru divisi 6 padahal. Aduh, ngantuk lagi. Satu lagi deh. Betul. 3 manusia. Ya ampun. Yes.
Hello everybody, and this is a quick reminder to let you know that you'll be able to catch today's match broadcast live on our club's FM station.
Mana nih cok, nggak mulai-mulai. Bocah waktunya dihabisin ya.
Well, it is a game which in the grand
San
scheme of things
Siro.
may not have too much riding on it, but it is equally clear and very visible that there is much pride
Bukan deh, Glupe Mazza.
chance of filling our ears.
Enggak deh, nggak tahu dah. Nama stadionnya apa?
It is the perfect
Harusnya sih San Siro ya. Tapi kenapa Glupe Mazza gitu cok?
all around us. This is the Giuseppe Meazza as we
Orangnya tinggal beli cabe kayaknya deh. Ya,
Paulsons. Great leap.
baru menit 1. Ya Allah.
Couldn't score.
Oh, plenty of moving targets to pick out in the box. Obviously increases your chances of the ball being met like that by someone.
Neymar. Now it's Rashford. Now it's De Jong. He's found a way through. De Jong.
Gila. Tiba-tiba kipernya maju, gua nggak lihat.
Martinez. To Gustas. Pressure already building up here. And that's been intercepted. Brozovic. To Barella. And it's Lukaku. Played out to the right. Lukaku. Oh, it's opened up for him. Able to meet it. Goal!
Listen, the big names earn their reputations for precisely the reason we've just seen. They have a habit of making their presence felt, and here we are, early stages. He struck one, and he looks hungry for more. Yeah, to see it unfold as succinctly as that, it looks telepathic.
Marseille didn't expect this, that's for sure. What can they do now?
Kenapa kalau misalkan main
His pass away.
malam Sabtu gitu kalah mulu ya?
Neymar. And they can counter here. Neymar. And here's Rashford. Played cross-field, changing the point of attack. Decent progress down the left. And he's on a charge. Paulsons.
Well, I wouldn't quite advise they should resort to risk-taking at this stage. There's plenty of time left yet.
Phillips. Now it's Rashford. And it's Rakitic.
Pelanggaran sih.
Pulled him up for that challenge. Well, that's a booking. Always looked in. Rakitic.
This is what good chemistry is all about.
And now they can clear their lines.
Astagfirullahaladzim.
Cut out, well played. Oh, nice one too, very nice. Çalhanoğlu.
Jarang bet bisa cutback ya.
Paulsons. He's had a fair tumble under that challenge. Crunching tackle.
Anjir lah.
No complaints about that challenge. Robust but fair. He's got away. It's Çalhanoğlu. Really well taken goal.
There's always a chance of being caught like that when you surrender the football.
Inter Milan take a 2-goal lead, and things should be comfortable from here on in.
We're looking at a very different game now. The command has been established.
Out to the left it goes. Now it's Ghosts. Oh, that's a fine challenge.
Astaga, kenapa ke sono?
Neymar. And the counter is on. Sokrasi.
Wih gila, bisa gitu lu muter-muter. Canggih juga. Wih di buset.
Goalkeeper's ball. Damian. Well seen. Saw that coming. And it's Neymar. It's a great ball. He's had a hit. Oh, the ball's run loose here. Well, they can break here. De Jong.
Hey.
Doing its job, and possession has been lost. Damian. It's a physical challenge. And it's Rashford.
Kok bukan ke Rashford, astaga.
Pull past that, sloppy.
Hati-hati, astaga, baru gue bilang.
Phillips. Now it's Rashford. Oh, it's come loose. Rakitic.
Wah itu bangun dong.
It's all a little bit desperate, but it's got the job done.
Oh, that's brilliantly defended.
Pemolet,
though.
apa
They
tuh?
were destined
Pemolet.
for a goal.
Astaga.
Barella. Now Martinez. He's in plenty of space here. He's left his man.
There will be 1 minute at a time.
Defending of the desperate variety.
Ya deh bang, lu jago bang. Ya bang, dah, lu menang dah bang. Astagfirullahaladzim.
Oh, strongly challenged there. And we've reached half-time. Any strong opinions on the first half?
Well, it's looking pretty straightforward, Peter. They've got themselves into a very good position. So why dither from here when they can repeat their first half success with another show of strength?
Ampun.
And the second half gets underway.
Well, this half might require them to produce a plan A, B, and C. Leveling the score is easier said than done. But that will be the target. Get back on terms and then use that momentum to go again.
And he's there to clear it. And the shot's on. Real chance! Decent enough try.
Yeah, he may have snatched at that a bit, even though it was quite close.
Stres.
De Jong. Phillips.
Mana tuh? Nggak ada temennya, Cok.
That's another good win of the ball.
Mau passing kemana kalau nggak ada temennya?
De Jong. He's found a way past.
Nge-lag pula.
Oh, good read. Rakitic!
Lagi bala aja nih hari ini nih.
And collective relief etched on the faces of the defenders.
Lagi bapuk kayak ini. Aduh, kenapa Canatip yang ambil?
The keeper's there to save. It's loose and there's a race for the ball. James. He's going to approach
Wasit
this
nggak
tail.
pelanggaran itu sih.
Inter Milan can start a counter here. Out to the right. Rakitic. Çalhanoğlu has made his mark on this game. A reprieve, albeit perhaps momentary.
Lepas oleh Muhammad.
With a human blockade, this is top defence.
And here's Rashford. Oh, great ball. And here's Neymar.
Ah ya
Just about
penalti.
give the
Ah yalah.
penalty, he has. So a big chance now from 12 yards.
Ini sampai benar-benar nggak gol.
Here we go. That's one back.
Benar.
Not much more than a formality. You could feel the tension as he stepped up to take that, but it didn't bother him, and he tucked it away perfectly. Marseille get themselves back into contention.
The attendance
A
for
score
this match
early in this half just takes the pressure off now and allows them a chance to be a bit more patient and try to level things up.
Oh, he couldn't get the direction he needed.
Now that was a slick move, and there were several options in the box to pick out.
Inter Milan, corner number 2 then. Last-ditch defending, but that'll do. And now a sudden chance to counter. Rakitic. Martinez. He was under real pressure there. So what can they make of this?
Footballing width usually identifies with running room, and we've just seen a prime example.
Robust defending and the ball's been lost. And it's Rakitic. Oh, this is a great position.
But this is exactly the approach they have to take now, Peter.
This is a really front-footed approach.
Spot on, Peter.
But it goes. Now the finish! And the follow-up!
Aduh, benar. La Allah Rabb ya Rasul.
It's run loose. Who's going to get there?
Allah Akbar.
Poor robust challenge. So, third quarter of the game.
Allahumma sholli ala Muhammad. Allahumma sholli ala Muhammad ya Rabbi sholli alaihi wasallim. Allahumma sholli ala Muhammad ya Rabbi sholli alaihi wasallim. Rabbi fanfa'na
Backs it away.
wahdinal husna.
And emerges with the Referee's given it. This could spell
Allahumma sholli ala Muhammad ya Rabbi sholli alaihi wasallam. Aduh. Allahumma sholli ala Muhammad.
Substitution for Inter.
There's going to be another change here.
Coming on to replace him is Alessandro Bastoni.
Phillips. And it's Rakitic. Filippo Inzaghi. No, the ball needed to be better there. It's a wasted chance.
Peter, they have to fight the onset of desperation and keep enough cool heads to still deliver.
This is promising. Tries the cross. Chance for the header! Should have put that one away.
He got too ahead of himself there, thinking how to make things safe.
Anjir. Al-Fatihah.
That was vital.
There's a real appetite from them to finally put this game to bed. But will
Masa gak ada menang hari ini ya? Astagfirullahaladzim. Hari ini gak ada menang loh.
was likely to need his best there, and he found it.
Moved on forwards.
Marseille really are showing all the necessary urgency, but it's potency they need.
Another pass just keeps it ticking over. Now it's De Jong. Can he put it away? Rakitic.
Marseille need to give it everything they have, kitchen sink included.
Nicked it back promptly.
Oh iya, stickku habis baterainya.
Gracias. That's clear cut. It's a free kick. It's Rakitic.
Added
Here's
minutes have been
Inzaghi.
indicated.
Filippo Inzaghi. And the shot.
Ya, let's go. 2-sama.
And we're all square again. No space, no problem. You just cannot stop him.
Well, I think that defence there thought they were in good position and they had him where they wanted, yet somehow he's worked the scoring position when it didn't see him on.
Buset, posisinya Van Dijk sampai ke situ-situ, gila.
So all square with almost no time remaining. And that interception was most necessary. Chance to break. Rashford. Great work on the overlap. A well margin for error there at all. And
Oke dah, dahan dah.
time is up.
Kagak menang-menang anjir.
Satisfied, but it was a more than decent
Dan 8 shot 7 on target dari tadi. Shotnya banyak, on targetnya lumayan juga. Cuma masalahnya tidak masuk-masuk bolanya, heran gue. Dah, terima kasih yang sudah nonton, terima kasih banyak. Dadah. Dadah. Ada satu orang sih yang lagi